welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ish. Yeah, please excuse that damn head tie I put up there because I try to cover my mirror and it's dirty as hell because of grease. Today we're doing a wig review, and a wig place on? I don't know. Watch me put this wig on this hair, girl. You know I got a big forehead for my big forehead girls out there. Hey, on y'all. Y'all like this? Was she too much? She too shiny or no? Cause I think it's the light that's making it extra shiny, but you know it don't be that shiny when I put her on, girl. I'm telling you. I'm turn the light down a little bit so you can see. Ooh, you see that chocolate brown skin on that blonde wig? I had this one wig and I was like, it's bad boring. So what I did was I bleached it. I did mad stuff to this wig to make it blonde. Like, it took like a whole day and a half, like dead serious. Like it took me like mad hours just to bleach that one wig. And I lost her. Like that I took that personal because every time I went out here and try to be out here on the gram, you know, try to live my best life, best MILF life, she held me down, you know? Like, I'm gonna insert a picture of her right here. I really like it. Hope y'all like it. And if y'all do, keep watching so I can show you how to put it on your head. So yeah, y'all, let's get into this video. So you see me right here. First of all, I'm jamming, girl. I'm jamming because I had on that house music. I was jamming so I could put this wig on for y'all. I'm out here real live and correct for y'all with this damn wig cap. That one wasn't working, so I had to change the brush. So I'm gonna speed it up for y'all so we can get through this. Yeah, so I'm putting like dark foundation on the wig cap so it can go under the wig and won't look too light. So you know that cap is like, yeah, it's not light for me. So that's why I had to put that foundation on there so that my roots could look dark because you know I'm melanin. But anyway, so yeah, right now you see me placing the cap on my head and sizing it up. First of all, I don't know why these baby hairs are so damn long. Like, anyway, they so freaking long, it make no sense. Don't judge my outfit, y'all, because I would try to do this for y'all while being in the house, you know? But anyway, yeah, I'm doing my baby hairs and I'm just speeding it up so we don't have to sit through this all day. I'm just gonna let it ride out and I'm gonna let y'all watch. And when it get real technical, I'm gonna come back. So I just want to let y'all know what I'm doing right here. I'm just placing more foundation onto the actual wig so that, like I said, the roots could look natural. So you place on your light wig cap. If you got a dark one, it's better, but I had a light one and I'm working with what I got because I'm not spending no more money. But anyway, this ain't about that. This is about the wig. So you place a foundation under the actual wig itself because it's so blonde. You want it to blend in with your skin tone. So I'm also putting got to be glue gel. I usually put thanks Apple. But anyway, I usually put like the bond glue so it could last more days, but since I'm not wearing this wig for more than like 2 days, I just placed the got to be glue gel and the got to be glue spray on there. This is straight out the box, y'all. This is not, I didn't pluck it, I didn't do no extra shit. I just, excuse my language, I just put the sucker on my head like this. Like, it's a synthetic wig, by the way, so I wasn't going to be doing the most with the plucking and all that. So you place this on your head for about maybe like 10 minutes so that it can stick down to your head. This should last like 2 days if I don't be sweating and going to the gym, but I'll be doing the most, so it probably ain't gonna last that long, but probably last for one good date night and that's it. But anyway, place the wig on your head like this, take the scarf off once the glue has settled. You see how the flaps are still coming up? So right now I'm about to make my little sideburns go on so we ain't gotta be looking real shabby out here. I'm gonna let y'all watch while I do my baby hairs and my sideburns. I'm not the best sideburn person, so yeah. And I'm not the best baby hair person, but I make it work for what I got. You know, you gotta make it work for what you got, and you gotta know your limits. Like, you know your limits, and you just keep on working with it. Like, you can't be out here talking about you know what you're doing. When you don't know, but you see I got a little eyeshadow on. I know my limits because I know I can't do too much eyeshadow because I know how I do. I can't. So I just stay where I'm at. I do hair. I stay where I'm at. I do it for my skin tone. I keep it pushing, and I stay in my own lane. So now I'm just cutting off the extra hair. I mean, sorry, not the extra hair. The extra lace from the front. You use a razor stick because it's better to cut it off like that because you can get closer to your skin. But you gotta take your time. This video is sped up. Do not be out here moving like this because I know I be moving fast. But I don't need y'all moving fast. Y'all see me trying to use the tweezers on this and pluck this? Yeah, I gave up real fast on that. But anyway, so you take your little baby hair brush and you spray it with some Got to Be glue spray. Yeah, that's what I did. You see that? And then you place it on your baby hairs. Once you got on your baby hairs, girl, you push through. You make your baby hairs work for you. I don't know how some people be out here with these fancy baby hairs. I know I'm not like that, but yeah, I think I was talking to my daughter at this time, or I was listening to music. I don't know what I was doing at this time, but I'm just pushing through with these baby hairs. I'm making it work for me because, like I said, I ain't the best baby hair person, but I know how to do hair and I know how to finesse it. So you make it work for what you got. Push through, sis. You see her trying? You see me putting my best foot forward. And I had to put a little clip on the side to hold the hair up because it was just too much going on. So you gotta make it work for like what you got. So right here, I'm adding more Got to Be glue gel. So I'm just trying to hold that hair down, the extra long hair. Yeah, I was getting a little frustrated, but yeah, because I don't like taking my time. I like rushing, but like I said, take your time. And I sped through the other side because I was like, I ain't want to put y'all through that. Having to watch me do both sides, it's the same damn thing. And you just spray your Got to Be glue gel. Spray. And put your head tie on to hold it down. Hold it down. Alright. Like I said, 5-10 minutes, hold it down. Not no 5-10 minutes, but like, a good couple of seconds. Keep it together. Yeah. And then you just, you see that? Push through, sis. Push on through. Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can, sis.
I can't.
Yes, you can, sis.
Sis can't.
Yes, sis can.
Sis can't.
Sis. Sis, you know that one?
What?
Bada.
Buddha.
Hey, baby dada.
You're so delightful.
State of mind.
I wanna be in the golden side. I'll smell inside the ground. So I'm picking it up. I'm picking it up. I'm picking it up. I just want you to come with me. I wanna live in it socially. So I'm picking it up.
Go, baby.
I'm picking it up. No.
No. Right now I'm in a state of mind. Go ahead, sing it, baby. Baby shark, dee 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 dee.
Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do.
Comment below. I can let y'all know how this wig worked out for me when I was out here on vacation. But y'all don't be commenting. So when y'all start commenting, I can talk to y'all back and let y'all know how this wig be doing. Okay? Okay. Love y'all.